So the government can also purchase up goods and services in the economy. So for example, a government could purchase up a plow truck or pay an individual salary to plow a road. So this is all spending at the federal, state, and local level by the government and contributes to the GDP. One quick note on the government purchases is that it excludes transfer payments. So a transfer payment is simply moving wealth from one individual to another, but that payment doesn't reflect any actual production. So it would be something like a Social Security payment where it's moving wealth from those who are currently working to those that are retired. So that movement of wealth isn't for any actual product, it's just for transferring wealth from one group to another. So if it was a $300 Social Security check to an elderly individual, that $300 worth of a check would not count towards the GDP because there's no production rendered there. However, if they paid out $300, the government paid out $300 towards a salary for plowing a road, well, there's a product there, a plowed road, so that would count towards GDP, or $300 towards fixing a pothole, or $300 towards a truck by the government, that would also count. But $300 of a Social Security check, because no good is actually being rendered or created there, then that does not count towards the GDP number.